Welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Bose SoundSports free. In this, charging case is not working. The battery backup of this case is completely bad. So let me show you the problem here exactly. So there is no charging, completely dead. And when I connect this charging cable here, so it starts blinking here. You can see directly it started in third light. So I have kept it for a long time. Then this shows it is full. But once if I remove like this, then you can see there is no light here, completely dead. So the reason is the battery. So even sometimes the fifth light will blink directly. If we take out the cable, all lights will go turn off. So we have to replace the battery of this charging case. So I have already replaced the battery of these earbuds. In this case I have to replace the battery of this charging case. Let me show you the battery here. So these are the batteries I am going to use here. So this is a Sony battery, rechargeable, and this is lithium ion polymer battery. Based on the availability of the battery I am going to install. In this case I am going to use this battery. This is also very high quality, better than this actually. So alright, let me show you how to replace the battery with using this Sony. So alright, to replace the battery we have to take this apart. Just follow the steps. You have to use a prying tool like this, and I am going to slowly pry here. You can see it is coming here. Like this, clips will be there. We have to open carefully. Just like this. So you can see the lock is there. So let me take that lock out. It's very important, should not break it. So this is the lock, and let me install it back to its place. And this is the battery. This battery we are going to replace. So alright, so now I am going to pry the battery here. It has been glued here, so it will be a bit difficult to show in the video because it has strongly glued out here. So you can see battery has come. So this is the battery. So let me show you. Rechargeable lithium ion battery, 3.7 volts, 790 milliamperes battery. So in this case I am going to use this Sony rechargeable battery. So you can see as per the specification written on this. So these are both lithium ion batteries, rechargeable batteries, 3.7 volts. So I am going to install this battery, or I am going to install this lithium ion polymer battery. This is also a very high capacity battery, first quality, 950 mAh. So this is much better than the actual 790 mAh battery. So both are similar. This is also lithium ion, and this is also lithium ion, and this is lithium ion polymer, first quality battery. So you can use this battery here as well. You can see the thickness, how heavy it is, and you can see this is Sony battery. So now and you can see this is Sony battery with lithium ion battery. You can see here lithium ion battery is written, 3.7 volts. Sony is the brand. So alright, let me install the battery. So this is the battery management system. So plus and minus has been gone to this battery management system, and 3 wires is going here, white color, red color, and black color. So red is the positive, and the black one is negative, and the white one is for temperature sensing. So alright, I have to use this same BMS with this battery. So let me do spot welding, because we should not solder the battery here. If you solder the battery using soldering machine, then you will end up damaging the battery. It is not at all advisable or suggestible to use soldering machine to fix the wires. We have to use spot welding here. So alright, let me install this. So I have taken out the battery from the actual BMS here. So it's time to install the battery. So this is the spot welding pen. So I am going to use this nickel plating here. So this is the nickel plate here, nickel strips. So I am going to simply keep the battery and just simply spot weld here. So you can see. So that's it, spot welding has been done. So this is the finest way. You should never solder the battery. So alright, so I am going to do spot welding on the other side and come here. Now you can see similarly this old battery, the actual battery which was installed, had the spot welding with this nickel plate. So I have made the similar spot welding with nickel plate. So now it's time to install this battery to this BMS. So just we have to solder this. So let me do that and come here. Now I have installed the battery management system with the battery using the nickel strip using spot welding. So this is the best way available to install the battery. This installation will not harm the battery. So alright, now it's time to check it. So before installing the battery inside, I have to check the battery here. So I'm going to install this socket and let's see the battery and working functionality here. So let me install this. So I have installed the socket here. So just simply by pressing here, whether let's see whether this light comes or not. Yes, so this has started working. A successful battery replacement, and we can check it by charging it. So let me use the charging cable here to test the charging case here, whether it is working or not. So I've connected the charging. You can see light is blinking, so that means the charging case is started working normally. So simply we have to glue it and we have to close the case here. So closing the case here is again challenging. We have to make sure the lock is positioned properly. So alright, now it's time to position the battery. We have to paste the battery inside and we have to just lock this top housing. So while locking this housing, you should be very careful that these buttons will not work if this is mechanical lock. So without checking, if you close it, then this lock might not work. So then again you have to open and close it, and you may end up breaking the lock here. So this is very delicate. So if you want me to replace the batteries of this charging case, Bose SoundSports free Bluetooth earbuds, I have made a long video how to replace the batteries of these earbuds. So this is also already replaced. So I have made many videos for this, but this is the first video of battery replacing for this charging case. So if you want me to replace the batteries, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. You can courier it. I can replace the batteries and I can ship it back to you. So if you are from Bangalore, then you can visit here directly, or else you can do it courier or porter here. I will replace the batteries and again I will send it back to your address. So alright, let me close this and come here. So alright, I have clipped everything. So everything has been positioned perfectly. This switch is also working perfectly. So now it's time to put the earbuds in the case. So you can see started charging. So perfect. So let me keep this here as well. So you can see this has started charging. This was already full. That's why it is not blinking now. It is glowing because the battery is full. If I take this out, you can see light will start glowing here, white light. Yes, you can see. So white light is glowing here. This is full. I have already replaced the battery and you can see light is glowing here. So this is working perfectly, and if I close and if I press this, you can see two lights as of now. Battery is there. So I will show you the charging functionality here as well. So it should get charged. It will take some time to fully charge because this is the new battery. One after the other, light will go up, then fifth light will start blinking, then all 5 lights will glow. In that case, the battery is fully charged. So that's it for this video. So if you have low battery backup in your Bose SoundSports free charging case, then don't hesitate to message to this above WhatsApp number. I am here in Bangalore. I can replace the batteries behalf of you. So this is the first video, I think so, in the YouTube, complete YouTube, how to replace the battery of this Bose SoundSports free charging case I have uploaded. So please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, because it will be really motivating for me to make more videos like this. So alright, that's it for this video. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel, AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.